What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to get more deliveries when you're doing Doordash and Postmates and Uber and Lyft and all those other good things. So one of the main things that people mistake is like they always give you these hot spots on places to go. Those usually typically mean that those are hot restaurants to go to. Never have I ever gotten better luck by driving to those hot spots than I have driving to the same mall or areas that have a lot of restaurants in a dense area, like a really close area. There's a bunch of restaurants. So typically places like an outdoor mall or like shopping centers and those kind of places where you know there's a lot of places that do DoorDash and Postmates and all those good stuff. So typically I go to this place. It's got a Chipotle, an Outback Steakhouse, a Cane's, a Chili's, and like 4 other restaurants all in the same parking lot. And all those places do DoorDash, and all of them are really quick with their orders, and typically all of them pay pretty well. Normally I'll just go to Chipotle because Chipotle is always super active with their orders. It doesn't take them long to make it. Typically you make pretty good money on Chipotle orders also. But yeah, also just driving to those areas where there's a bunch of restaurants, that's where you're gonna make all the money. Pretty much forget those little hotspot areas. Just forget that they exist. Find an area with a nice shopping mall or something, because whoever is the closest to those places when they need an order, that's who's gonna get the order. So if there's someone parked right in front of it, they're gonna get the order, not you if you're sitting at home or like if you're somewhere else. Literally try to go to the places, park right in front of them, and you're gonna get more orders. Also, on top of that, think about where these orders are taking you. Do they take you way out of town where there's no other restaurants? Because you gotta think, if you get an $8 order for 4 miles, but it takes you way away from everything else, you gotta drive another 4 miles to come back to the restaurants. So if you could accept orders that take you near other restaurants or stay in like the general zone of a lot of restaurants, you're gonna make a lot more money that way. I really try not to take orders that take me out of town unless they pay really, really well. In Vegas, all of like the rich areas are right on the outskirts of Vegas. So sometimes I'll get big orders that go way out there, but typically I take orders that take me like to another area where there's a good amount of restaurants. Those are mostly all the good tips I got for getting more orders. Hopefully this helps you guys a little bit. Comment down below if you guys have any other questions. I'll try to make some more videos if you guys have any good ones. Subscribe if you haven't. Thank you guys for watching again. Peace.